What if there was an aerial camera platform that really could capture your world from any perspective? Something completely different from anything you've seen before. An aerial platform that was portable, unbelievably rugged, powerful, and simple to use. One that you could take with you anywhere without a lot of hassle. Introducing Sprite, the world's most portable and rugged unmanned aerial vehicle. Whether you're an active outdoor enthusiast or a serious professional who just needs to get the job done, Sprite is as portable, rugged, and hardworking as you are. The motors and electronics are all sealed tightly into the airframe, keeping them safe from dust, dirt, and water. Whether that's happening in the backyard or the backcountry, it even floats. But it's also really easy to use. With Sprite's powerful autopilot, you can create three-dimensional GPS flight paths. You can change speed, hold a position, fly circles, a survey pattern, even scan structures or regions of interest, all while keeping the camera pointed right where you want it. Sprite can even follow you to capture that ultimate perspective. Or if you like, you can fly Sprite with an optional remote control transmitter. The automatic, controllerless flight modes let you program Sprite and leave the controllers back at base camp or at home. The airframe is made up of durable connecting sections, making it super easy to change batteries or even payloads on the go, without tools. Sprite comes with a camera mounted on a one-axis stabilized gimbal to take crystal clear video and still images in full high definition. A GoPro module with a two-axis stabilized gimbal is also available and attaches to Sprite in seconds. Because Sprite is modular, you'll be able to easily add new cameras, sensors, network communications hardware, and other accessories as they become available. We've spent more than 2 years perfecting Sprite, and the hard part is behind us. We now need your help to get us over the final hurdle and into production. But to get Sprite out of our backpack and into your hands, we need to know that the world is just as interested in a portable, rugged, and simple-to-use aerial platform as we are. Please support us on Kickstarter. Choose a reward that's best for you and help spread the word among your friends, family, and colleagues. Tell anyone who you think can use an unmanned aerial vehicle as portable, rugged, powerful, and simple to use as Sprite. Please visit our website for more information and details about Sprite and about us. And thanks for your help. The future of Sprite is in your hands.